What's up, guys? So I'm at Wally World here, Walmart, and I'm checking out these utility knives. Actually, this is an impulse thing because I was testing out some different razor blade holders, and this looked really good. So I'm gonna pick this up so I can try it out for review. This is the light version. I have one of these, the EAB. It just doesn't have the cutouts, but I actually love it a lot. And I'm curious about this. I was gonna get this 2-pack, but I figured instead I'll just get this, because I know I already love the regular version of this. Plus, I'll see what this is like. So for $16.44, we'll give it a shot, and we'll use that, and we'll do a video on it. But I did want to show you real quick some of the other options. They have singles here for $8. It also looks like they have a black version of the EAB Light for $11.44. It's kind of cool. You know, if you want EDC or something, you prefer black. There's some other stuff going on here too, like this one. This one slides instead. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. I'll do a video on that soon because I'm curious about it. A lot of people are interested in the utility blade holders, you know, for an option, especially for work. You know, people love their nice knives and stuff, but, you know, it's a little more convenient just to pop out a blade instead of having to sharpen it. I talk to a lot of people about knives all the time, and more times than not, people just have no interest in sharpening their knife, or they get frustrated because they can't do it right. So these are obviously very popular for that reason, just convenient. Well, I'm still at Walmart. I figured I'd add this into the video. I thought this was interesting. They're carrying some Zippo products now. Store matches are awesome, doesn't matter what brand. You know, if you ever want to add some stuff to your, you know, preps or survival gear bags and stuff, these things are just awesome. They could be soaking wet. You can literally put these underwater, take them out, and still light stuff. So these are awesome for fire starting. I've tried the Typhoon match kit as well. Same deal. It's just Zippo's brand. They're bigger, really heavy duty. The only issue with that was the striking pads. You should definitely keep extra striking pads, because if you can't strike it, you have a huge problem. And same with these. They have to stay dry, you know, to actually initially light them. But this is also interesting too. I don't think I've seen this one before. This is essentially just some little, you know, discs, whatever you call those, cubes. I don't know, they're round, so they're not cubes, but basically just have a flint and a striker to throw it on there to get a fire started. So interesting stuff. Yeah, just looking around. Some Zippo fluid. Hard to beat for $2. The hand warmer, traditional hand warmer that takes the fluid, that's pretty cool. My Walmart happens to have some ammo, which is nice, but I don't have any money to buy it right now. But it's just nice to see that kind of stuff coming back. Like here in Pennsylvania, they still have some guns, but just some shotguns and stuff, a couple of 22s. Anyway, that's just the Walmart update. If I find anything else interesting, I'll certainly add it to this video. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.